Hey everyone, today I want to go hands-on with Microsoft Designer, a completely new tool created by Microsoft. As a matter of fact, it's so new that it's still in preview, meaning that it has not been launched yet to the wider public. You can sign up for it, you can join the waitlist. I did so a couple of weeks ago and I finally have access. And I have to say, I played around with it for a bit. It's a lot more powerful than I expected, and it's much more than a simple image generator, which you can also do within this app, but that's not the purpose of this app. This is a designer. This tool is meant to help you design your next content. And to kind of show this to you and really demo this to you, let's go ahead and test something out. So I want to create a presentation about cats and how cats are the best pets, much better than dogs. I think we can all agree on that. Once we have done that, we're going to click on generate, and within 5 seconds it will actually give us a couple of design ideas that we can use for the presentation. Now, one of the things that you will notice is the size button here. If I click on size, I can actually go ahead and choose for square if this is meant to be an Instagram post. There we go. Or we could go ahead and choose portrait if this is meant for a poster. Then the images will be in a poster format. There we go. But for now, since this is a presentation, let's go ahead with landscape. It's gonna give us a 16 by 9-ish image. There we go. And there are a couple of designs here that we can choose from. And let's see which one we like the best. If there are none that we actually like, we're gonna always generate, and then we'll generate different ideas. But for now, I like this one a lot, so let's go ahead and choose this one. And this is where the power comes into play. We can actually customize this. So let's click on customize design. It's gonna open a canvas for us. And in this canvas, we can do anything. Let's first start with this cat. This is the background right now. We can change the background if you want. We can do a lot of things here, but for now, let's ignore that. And let's go ahead and detach this image from the background. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Now let's reposition this image again. There we go. Let's put the cat right here somewhere. And what we're going to do now is position this to the back. So now the text is in front. Once we have done that, we're going to go and add some, let's see, we're going to add some visuals. I think that would be cool. Now what you see here is that I can actually generate images and add them to this. I can add videos. I can add graphics if I want to. So there we go. We have a couple of graphics here of dogs because it understood what I wanted. We have cats here. We have shapes that we can use. Just as in PowerPoint, we have gradient backgrounds, organic shapes, you name it, it's there. But for now, let's go ahead and choose this one. And let's position this right here and make this a bit bigger. There we go. And let's also position this to send to back, and let's just send this one to back as well, so that we have this right there. Now we can change the color of this. So let's go ahead and change the color to something that is, there we go. Let's go ahead with this one. Yeah, I like that. And let's just position the text right there. And let's take this text and position it right there. Now we see I'm not entirely happy actually with the color, so let's go ahead and change the color very quickly to something else, and let's actually go for orange right there. There we go. So very quickly we created this. Now what else can we do? Let's go back to visuals very quickly and let's generate something. So if I say a cat and I click on generate, it's going to take a couple of seconds. This is based on DALL-E 2, the image generator most of you are familiar with, I hope, I assume. And once this is done creating the image, we can actually select that and immediately import this to the canvas. So I just selected that and we can immediately import this to this. We can position it the way we want. Once we're done with that, it actually we can remove this image and we can just keep this image. We can do a lot of things here, but for now, let's just delete this one and click on the design ideas because that's also part of this. we can see more designs that we could actually like here. So if I'm not entirely happy with this, I can always choose a different idea. We can add text, obviously, so we can change the text here completely, or we can add new text, and we can change the fonts of the text. For now, I'm happy with the font, but let's go ahead and change that as well, just to see what it will look like. We can go ahead with this one, but again, I'm happy with the font that we had, so we're gonna go and leave that there. We can also click on Inspire Me, and then it's gonna do something completely different. It's not my taste, so let's go ahead and change this back to what we had, and that is now I lost the font. So it's not always perfect, but that's completely fine. Let's change the color of the text to black, just to make it look a bit nicer. You can see it's a bit slow at times. There we go. What else can we do? We can have templates. So then it will take this template, put that here, and then we can start designing it. But for now, I think, you know, this is what I like. I'm happy with this. What can I do now? Well, I can click on download, and then I can copy this as an image or download it. For now, let's just go ahead and copy this as an image. And once I have copied this as an image, I can open a PowerPoint presentation, and I can Control V this. And let's go ahead and, well, Designer already does the work for me. Let's click on this, and I have my first slide of cats are the best presentation. So this is just a sneak peek, just showing you how powerful this is, how much work this can help you save. I assume this is going to be part of PowerPoint in the near future as part of the Microsoft Copilot tool that is Microsoft is working on right now. So I would say sign up. I will show you beneath the video how you can sign up for this tool. Play around with it, see what you can come up with, and yeah, that's it.